So my name is Simon George from Kuramo Senior College. Today I learned on how I should use what I have at my disposal.
My name is Olabisi Olaitonlari. I'm the regional head for Lagos Island Region 2. We are here for the Project Lead initiative, and we have come to Kuramo and Victoria Island Secondary School to take on the students. We have several topics that we have dealt with them. They were taught on morality, on time usage, classification, using what they have to get what they want, i.e. their parents, and how they should bond with their parents and be open to their parents. And we have been able to interact with the students. They were able to share their experience and what they know so far, and they enjoyed our interaction with them. I believe a continuous exercise will also mean a continuous knowledge for these students.
My name is Tosi Morainon, and I'm here at Kuramo School with Project Revamp Africa to impact the lives of secondary school students, which should be the whole point of CSR. What is CSR? Corporate social responsibility. That should be the responsibility of every adult, every working person to impact life, to impact the young ones.
My name is Gabriel, and I'm here at Victoria Island Senior Secondary School, where I work with the GSS3 students, and today we talked about two things. First, class preparation, and the second thing is using what you have. During the class preparation part, we talked to the students about the essence of punctuality, coming to class or coming to school early, also paying attention in class and listening, because these are the things that they need to excel in secondary school. And it was good to see the students were so much in high spirits. They paid attention, though I found some of them who were shy to talk, but I had to engage them, give them the confidence that they can do it, and it was a fun part to be with. And during the second session, where they had to talk about using what they have, they focused on 4 major things: talking to their parents, their teachers, technology, and using their brain. We have to make them understand that their parents are one of the assets they need to excel also in life. Also while they are in school, because they interface with the teachers, they need to understand how to relate and how to use what the teachers are giving to them. Also technology. We are in the 21st century where everyone is technology inclined. So the students have to understand that it's beyond playing games or using social media just to chat. They also have to understand the importance of research, because it helps them to learn more while they are outside or within the school premises. And also the brain, very important. Critical thinking is one of the essential skills that every young person needs to develop in this age. So it was a very interesting one for me. It was my first time, and I enjoyed myself. Thank you very much, Project Revamp Africa.
My name is Obaka Jobreo. I'm a student of Kuramo Senior College. I want to share my experience in this book, and I really learned a lot from this book. What I learned today is use what you have. When you use what you have, you plan your goals, you do everything, you get to the top. And the first thing of using what you have is your parents. Communicate with your parents, saying your problems, everything, to make sure that everything is in capable place. So the second one is your teacher. Your teacher is the second thing you need to use to what you have. I learned about class participation, and class participation is just like the art of participating in class, doing all sorts of things to get participated in class. The first thing you need to get is by taking school attendance, class attendance. Be punctual in school. You need to also take notes of what your teacher said, because your teacher can just say an important key, like an important lesson. Maybe if you write it down, maybe over and over, then you get stuck to it. You should be concentrated. Your concentration is very important when your teacher is teaching. I want to say a very big thank you to Access Bank and Revamp Africa for bringing this big opportunity. Thank you.
My name is Olaoluwa. I work in Access Bank, and I'm here with the Project Lead team at Kuramo College in Victoria Island, and we're here to teach students on the essence of goal setting and time management. Now, it's important to know that when you teach these students, you might come across them as some of them stubborn, some of them not willing to learn, but it's important to know that these things that you teach them usually stick.
There's a saying that says that a teacher can never tell how far his influence goes. Trust me, I believe that saying is timeless. I mean, take a look at Kuramo. You find all sorts of students. It's a public school, so you might come across a little decent in class, a little jesting, but guess what? It's all part of the experience, because you're going to meet people from various backgrounds, people that have gone through different things, people that can easily resonate with what you're doing. So what's my take for it? For my advice to everybody is that, look, CSR is not just a way to while away time, it's not just a way to do whatever it is that you want to do, but it's a way to impact, a way to inculcate, a way to instill values in these children that, trust me, 10 years down the line, they are listening and they are blessing you for what it is that you have done. That's the essence of PR. You can only change the world from where you are, and trust me, doing it on this platform has been a great privilege and a great advantage. Thank you very much.